Namaskar. It is very exciting for a person when he comes to office every day morning and there is a new adventure waiting for him, a new news, a new fight, a new challenge waiting for him every day. Some of us in the digital news world, we face new challenges every day. Every day when we come to office, there is something new. Likewise, there was something new even today. You see, there was an article in Indian Express which said that before 2019 polls, BJP flagged 44 rival pages. 44 rival pages of BJP was flagged off Facebook page, and those pages were pulled down by Facebook. According to Indian Express, 14 of those 44 pages were completely, permanently removed as on Monday, that those pages do not exist on Facebook. Now, what is more exciting is people like Ravish Kumar and people like Vinod Dua, our consultant editor. Fan pages for these gentlemen, these fan pages were part of the pulling down of the part of those 44 pages which were pulled down. Why? Possibly because they speak dissent, because these pages were distributing the kind of editorials or kind of work that these gentlemen were doing. And somewhere down the line, I guess, according to Indian Express, BJP didn't want to promote such pages. What is more exciting is two pages which were technically mouthpieces of BJP, that is the Chaupal and Op India. According to Indian Express, BJP had asked Facebook to monetize this page, which means Facebook would put ads in those pages and then pay those pages money, which was not done earlier on, but based on BJP's request, they started monetizing this page. Two things. First is, one is absolutely aghast with the kind of clout that BJP has on Facebook. Second is, what are we talking about? Facebook itself is a BJP's mouthpiece now. It has become a BJP tool. Thirdly, people like Vinod Dua, Ravish Kumar, these are people who spoke what they genuinely felt was the truth. And the way their voice of dissent was crushed is by either putting cases on them or by removing their page. My colleague Vinod Dua is fighting in two courts. He is fighting in two courts, the Delhi High Court and the Supreme Court. Delhi High Court, he is fighting a series of cases that a BJP spokesperson of Delhi had filed on him. And in Supreme Court, he is fighting a case which some BJP members had filed on him in Himachal Pradesh, Simla. He is fighting, and that includes Desh Droha case, which he is currently fighting in the Supreme Court. And tomorrow is his final hearing. God willing, final hearing. The reason I've come in front of you is because it's funny. It's funny how corporates back out from advertising in our channels because we try to speak the truth. It is funny how platforms like Facebook and YouTube demonetize us, pull down our webpage because we tend to speak truth. It is funny how people who may not completely agree to the government, people like Vinod Dua, are so easily termed Deshdrohi. So easily. You see, it is not just harming us. This is not just harming digital media. This is not just harming Vinod Dua. This is not just harming Ravish Kumar. This is harming our democracy. If this continues, believe me, like I always say, there will be one voice that talks to you. And that voice will be that of the government of the day. Because every other voice today are shut one by one. Till we meet next time. Namaskar.